Have you ever wondered how a one ingredient jollof rice would taste like? Stick with me in this video as I take you through the step by step that's required for this amazing jollof rice, and I'll give you my review alongside the video. So I heard about this jollof mix sometime last year, and I'm just really excited to finally try it out. It requires in 3 sachets of this paste for 800 grams of rice, and if you're using cup, that'll give you about 4 cups of rice. And me here, I'm using a 250 ml cup. That means that's actually the same with the normal cup they use in the market. That's the tomato cup. But if you're using a milk cup, you might want to use 5 cups because that one is way smaller than this cup I'm using right now. For me, 4 cups of rice is really big deal, so I'm just going to use half of that quantity, which is 400 grams. That's like 2 cups of rice, and instead of using 3 pastes, I'm just going to use 1.5 of this same jollof mix paste. And you should know that this thing contains tomato, garlic powder, onion powder, ginger, vegetable extracts, and every other thing you need to make your perfect jollof rice. The first step here requires you to add groundnut oil to the pot, and you just heat it up before you add the jollof mix paste. I use half cup of oil, that's about 125 ml of this groundnut oil. Now I've added my paste to it and I've covered the pot, so I'm just going to allow it fry for 4 minutes, which is actually according to the instruction that's given. Then I'll come back to it. For the water, if you're using 800 grams, then you have to add 1 liter, but since I'm using half of that quantity, I'm just going to use half liter of water, which is about 500 ml of water for the rice. Now it's 4 minutes already, and I'll just go ahead and add the water to it and then my seasoning. Honestly, this aroma is wow, like it's really amazing. It's just everything. For my seasoning, I'm using 2 terra cubes, and for the salt, I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of salt. But the key thing is you have to work with your taste. Next step, you add your washed rice. Like, you have to wash the rice really properly because you're not parboiling it. Don't look at me that way. I'm Nigerian and I can't really let any grain of rice waste. So having done 10 minutes prep time, as in the frying and all that, I'm just going to set my timer for 35 minutes. So I'll cook the rice for 35 minutes, then let's see how it goes. It's 16 minutes already, so let's see what we have in the pot. Like, is it really worth all this? Oh, this aroma is great. Like, honestly, it's amazing. This is actually a great idea from Tasty Tom. At this point, the rice is okay, the aroma is okay, but just that the rice is still quite strong. So I'm just going to just wait for the 35 minutes to be complete. Then let's see how it goes. I'll just go ahead and slice my veggies, but you should know that these veggies are not really necessary. Like, your rice is still going to come out great even if you don't add all these veggies. 35 minutes already, and let's see what we have right in the pot. Wow, this is yummy. Like, the aroma is that legit party rice aroma. And next up is the rice is soft, so I'll say the 35 minutes cook time is perfect. So I'll just go ahead, add my veggies, and I'll stir it, cover it for some while. Yeah, I like my veggies a bit cooked, not like really really cooked, but half cooked. Then I'll just cover it for like a minute or two, then I'll eat. Now the rice is served. I went extra way to add fried plantain and meat. But then it's okay. So my quick observations. First of all, if you really love hot pepper, you need to add more pepper. But the pepper that comes with it is actually very very moderate. Then if you want extremely soft rice, add extra 5 minutes to your cook time. There's only for curry, onion, thyme, and all that. But then if you really want more spicy food, you might just want to add it. And also, the jollof aroma is great, 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 like legit party rice. So the content is great. So if you follow all the instructions and the timing, trust me, you get your perfect jollof rice. Thanks for watching this video, and for more amazing content, please subscribe to this channel. Let me know what you think in the comment box. I'll be right there, and please like this video if you enjoyed it. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.